In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download any video from any website on Chrome. Before we begin, a quick note. Only download videos you have the rights to save. Like your own clips, royalty-free content, or anything clearly permitted by the site's terms. Respect copyrights and local laws. Start by opening the website that hosts the video you want. Load the exact page where the video appears so Chrome can detect it later. Next, install the tool we'll use. Open Chrome's extensions marketplace, called the Chrome Web Store, and in the search bar type Video Downloader Professional. Look for the extension with that exact name. Check that it's the one with solid reviews and a clear description so you know you are getting the correct tool. When you find it, click Add to Chrome. Chrome may ask you to confirm. Go ahead and approve to complete the installation. Now return to the web page with your video and press play. Let it run for a few seconds. Playing the video helps the extension recognize the stream and list the available versions. At the top right of Chrome, click the extension icon in your toolbar. If you don't see it immediately, open the Puzzle Piece Extensions menu and select Video Downloader Professional there. A small window will open, showing the video files it found on the page. From this window, choose the format and resolution you want to download. Higher resolutions look sharper, but create larger files and take longer to download. Lower resolutions save space and finish faster. If multiple entries appear, select the option that matches the quality you need. When you click your choice, the download will start and the file will be saved to your default downloads folder unless you've set Chrome to ask every time. While it's downloading, avoid closing the tab or putting your computer to sleep. If the list is empty, refresh the page, press play again, or wait a moment. Some sites load the stream after playback begins. Be aware that certain websites use protection technologies that prevent downloading. In those cases, this method won't work. If you are choosing between formats, MP4 is widely compatible across phones and computers. Keep an eye on available storage and your internet connection, especially on metered networks, since high-quality videos can be several hundred megabytes or more. After the download finishes, you can play it with your default media player. That's the process. Thanks for watching.